Thanks for watching this Mapbox how-to video. In this video, I'll show you how to upload data to Mapbox Studio. Like in this case, I have points of trees that are in good health in Manhattan. So let's go. Okay, I'm in my Mapbox Studio account. I'm at mapbox.com/studio, and I want to be in the Datasets section. Click on New Dataset, Upload, and here's where we can drag and drop a GeoJSON, JSON, or CSV file. I'm going to select my CSV file that shows the location of some trees in Manhattan that are in good health. So select a file, select my CSV, click Confirm, and Create. Once it's done importing all the features, click Start Editing. And here I can see a preview of all of my points. And if I choose one, click on it, I can see the properties associated with this point. So the field and the value are just a key value pair from a JSON. And I can add a property, I can edit any of these properties, I can delete it. I can also add a new point or a new line or a new polygon. But since this data is fine how it is, I'll click Export. And this is going to export to a tile set. Click Export. And a tile set is a collection of vector data that's broken up into a uniform grid of square tiles, which makes Mapbox run really fast and efficient. And you can also upload data programmatically using the Mapbox Uploads API or Mapbox Datasets API. But uploading directly into Studio can be a quick way to try something out. And you'll see a notification when the export is successful, and now you can add your tile set to a style. Now you know how to upload data to Mapbox Studio. Thanks for using Mapbox and keep building.